Big day also means getting up early at 7 a.m, 7:30 I think. Can't even wait for the sun to fully rise. Bunch of stuff to do. Let's drive to Wanaka first.
Lost in the rhythm, lost in the haze, searching for a melody to light these days. It's been so long since I've seen your face, a decade apart, time swift embrace. Drum beats colliding with saxophone scream, playing the notes that'll bring back a dream. In this acid techno, avant-garde jazz affair, we'll dance to the rhythm of a lost pair. Time forgotten, the friendship remains as the music captures our souls' refrains. In this acid techno, avant-garde jazz embrace, we'll make up for the years with love and grace.
Got a nice new mat. Bargain, 500 bucks. Better be good. I always wanted to come here to the coffee shack, I think it's called. Flight coffee. It's so cute with the stools. Just making sure that the bag works. The mat. Looks promising. Did the job. Never used these bags before. That's a lie. I once tried to assist, but I had no idea how they work, and it was a pain in the butt. This is pretty reasonable. I'm quite happy. Yo estoy dibujando ahora. Alright, this is it. We are at the airport. I think we need to go pick up. I'm at the cover. Yes, of course you are.
My friend.
Oh, screwed up. I did not know.
Yeah, I had to check it because my laptops are too heavy.
He just said it's the best day ever.
Yeah, it's a good day.
I recommend. Just got some real fruit ice cream. Fire!
Oh yeah.
On a sunny day.
Yeah.
Now we're driving to Lake Pukaki and maybe do the Hooker Valley track.
Of the names.
Future generations.
Yeah, exactly.
And my YouTube. Cheers. Cheers. Lake Pukaki. And that's Mount Cook, Aoraki over there. Whatever is the highest. It's mental. This has not been on camera since it has been packed. It's just so heavy, man.
Yeah, it's a thick boy. Did you get it deboned at the place?
I got de-gutted.
Okay.
So there's still the head and everything on there. But that's a lot of salmon.
That's a lot of salmon. That's a lot
Maybe
of
we
salmon.
should just not worry about the potato.
Yeah.
But I think we should have some. Yeah, this is her.
Nice. One called Rainbow Mountain. That was at 17,000 feet, so roughly like 9,000 meters. Okay, look at you putting it all on.
Tomato, garlic, basil.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Fuck that. Jesus. I was trying to be slick, and that did not.
looking pretty good. I think this is one of the most female spices.
That's perfect.
It's a good
Oh,
thumbnail
there
for
we
my
go.
video. Now got the Merlot. I was told Merlot is the right wine to do this. Got it on very low heat. Orange. And then I have no idea about the measurements, but you know, a couple of, what's that, cloves?
You just let your German heritage fall.
Yeah.
You know, you know this.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, it's correct.
And then star anise.
Not the star anise.
Need to go to the other shop to get the cinnamon sticks. Premium.
Whoa.
Premium,
Whoa,
yeah. There you go.
We're not fucking around right now.
No.
Got that good.
One,
Back to school. You
two maybe. And then this French brandy.
I think it's died.
No, I just saves battery by not showing me what I.
Efficiency German.
Yeah. Maybe. And the fruit stalls.
Yeah.
There's equally many honey stalls. And we just let that simmer.
This is great.
Cheers, Cobber.
Cheers. Did you say cheers, Governor?
Cobber.
What?
Cobber.
I don't know what that means.
Done worse on the video that we just watched yesterday.
Right.
Should have brought our baiters because there's a lake at the end.
Hey, cheers. Found Rainbow Mountain because the ice melted on it. Foraging experience.
I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder.
Joel, what are you making?
Fruit bowl porridge. Fruit bowl house porridge.
Is it their name?
And chestnuts, of course. Good morning.
Guten Morgen, mein Freund.
Good morning.
Yeah. No sunrise this morning though.
Beautiful Lake Hawaii. In the rain today.
Guten Tag, Joel.
Guten Tag. Welcome to Brodona. Brodrona. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here, but it's happening.
Good morning.
Look at this guy. Standing there as if that's his beach. Good morning. Fergburger.
Yeah.
Good. River crossing. Just fill the river crossing. Don't you think?
There's no hut. There's no hut.
There's no hut. Yeah. Yes.
60.
That's the way we do it. Yeah, for the last 2 days we've just been hanging around Wanaka, did some work, and now we're here, just had our Fergburgers, and we'll go to the gym soon, and then go to the pub, and then Phil needs to leave again, unfortunately.
So we're holding the breath. Go down, hold it in. Hands down, exhale. Hands down. Good. Now we're not. Go on. 3-5 breaths and then beautiful 5 takes.
Nice. Sauna and the spa. Amazing. Come on in. I mean, look at this view.
Yeah, fuck it.
It's just rude, man.
Besides me, right? It's just.
I mean, what?
Blankets. You see?
Yeah, you didn't even jump in there. So this is how an awesome time ends.
We made it. We're live, but only
Yeah.
barely. We need electrolytes
Yeah, we need
and hugs.
to get to the airport ASAP.
Yeah, we're going.
We got.
Take this.
No, we should be still golden. Okay. Not golden. We're silver.
yeah.
Let's say we're silver. Yeah.
For sure.
I think that should be it, sir. Come here.
No, get on the. There we go. Yeah, you too, buddy. Thank you.
And there he goes. See you later. Right, we are all full fueled up and we're heading to Bendigo because I've always wanted to camp there. Let's go.
Gotta say goodbye to my buddy Phil. He's moving on. Got a new hill to climb. I'll miss all the laughs and good times we had. But life goes on. Gotta leave the past behind. Gotta leave the past behind. So long, Phil. It's time to say goodbye. Gonna miss your smile, laughter and your vibe. But as we part ways and move along, know that our friendship will always be strong.
We arrived. Beautiful. I've just found that. Please add zoo fantasy. So we've got a ghost horse and a dinosaur. More dinosaurs in red. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm not very artistic. So we're not doing that. So we were just working here for the last couple hours. Sun has set already. Maybe I can do a little bit more light. Yeah, not much is gonna happen. Good night. Night lapse.